Hi, in this quick video, I'm gonna be walking through how to transfer pictures and videos from Android to iPhone using Bluetooth. To transfer anything from Android to iPhone using Bluetooth, we have to install Share It app on our both Android and iPhones. So go to your App Store and Play Store and search for Share It and just download Share It app on your iPhone and Android. Then open Share It from both devices. And now on your Android phone, tap on Receive. And on your iPhone, just tap on Send. And make sure your Bluetooth is enabled from both mobile. Okay, now from your iPhone, select a dummy picture and just tap on Send. And tap on Connect to Android. And now you have to scan this QR code from your iPhone and just tap on Join. And then your iPhone and your Android phone will be connected, as you can see. Now to transfer anything from your Android to iPhone, just open Photos from here and go ahead and select any photos or multiple photos to transfer. Just select them. Also go to Videos tab and you will be able to select any videos to transfer. And then just tap on Send. And as you can see, all of my videos and pictures successfully transferred from my Android to iPhone. And this is how we can do it. And now to see all of your photos and videos you received from your Android phone, just go to your iPhone Photos app, and here you will find those photos and videos you received from your Android phone. So let's send another photo, for example this photo, tapping on Send, and here's the photo. I'm going to my Photos app again, and the photo has been automatically downloaded in my iPhone gallery. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.